My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake browser update alerts that come from the website Launchrenewedhighlythefile.vip. Some people may pretty unexpectedly notice these pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome browser. The website Launchrenewedhighlythefile.vip says that this is some sort of recommended ad blocker installation. But in reality, when people agree with this misleading proposal and install this dubious software, they are actually installing certain browser hijacker that may change some crucial browser settings. I'm going to install this unwanted extension simply for the demonstration purposes in order to let you know what exactly happens with your browser after this misleading update is installed. So people, when they start submitting some particular search queries, soon notice that the results are delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine. And whenever they submit these search queries, the results may be delivered by ecosia.org or by Bing or by some other unwanted search engine. This is all happening because of this unwanted extension enabled in Google Chrome. So to remove the extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Now, if you find any third-party extensions which were mistakenly installed, deactivate and remove them completely. To make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download Combo Cleaner, install the application, and then begin carefully investigating your system with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.